So this was the first question. Here we were given Q, P and PR. See, if I have to start construction, it's better to start with PR equals 7 centimeter. Okay, the moment we'll draw PR equals to 7 centimeter, what will come on paper? P and R. Now we have to look for Q. How to reach Q? So one way out is draw angle P equals to 30 degree. So at least we will get a direction where Q is, no, because it's on the arm of angle 30, no. So Q is somewhere there. So I can draw angle P equals to 30 degree. But on this arm, where it is gonna be? Because the 30 degree arm can be this long, this much long. In fact, it can be longer than this. No? So how to fix up Q? We need second measure to fix up Q. But as a third measure in a triangle, we have been given 60 degree, which is to be constructed on Q. Okay, so here how to deal with this? So this is a typical question of its own type. What should be given? Rather, either we should be given PQ. No, 30 degree would have given us the direction and PQ would have selected the distance in that direction, or we would have been given angle R, so that where 30 degree and this angle would meet, that will be point Q, or we should be given RQ along. Okay, so the second measure, it's here, it's not helping, 60 degrees not helping. So how to construct it? So it's quite simple. What did I say? What all should be given? Either PQ or RQ or angle R. PQ and RQ, we cannot say anything about it, but we know something about angle R. What is that? That if it is 30 and it is 60, this is 90 degree. No? So you can actually say here uh, that angle R equals to 90 degree. Means it's not impossible to construct a triangle in which PR is 7, P is 30 and Q is 60 degree. No? And from here we can actually get a Q. No? So here you can find out angle R is equals to, means if you have to submit reason, minus angle P, and also we have to subtract angle Q. So which is 180 degree minus 30 degree minus 60 degree, which is actually equals to 90 degree. This can be submitted as reason, okay, if asked, or means not asked, if you want to satisfy your construction. See, maths is all about this. Now you have to justify your thing. So if you feel like justifying, then it's okay. Now we can easily construct it. No, we can easily construct it using compass. So let's not do it. I suppose you can do it now. I have sorted the main issue of this question. Now our next question is, draw a triangle XYZ. XYZ, where your X is 15 degrees, your Y is 75 degree, your X is 15 degrees, and Z is 90 degrees. Okay, so now what to construct first, because we have been given three measures and we have not been given any side, but we need a triangle in which three angles are this. So is it impossible to construct this triangle without any side? No, it's not, because there is no side restriction. Somebody is asking us to construct a triangle in which three angles are these. So we can construct it. What do you have to do? Basically, just draw any line segment, any arbitrary. Okay, it can be small, can be big, any. Just draw 75 here and 90 here. Okay, 75 and 90 here. I'm not using any protractor or something. Because I'm just elaborating the way. So this is our 90 degree. This is Y, this is Z. Okay, and I have to draw 75 degree, and when you construct 75 degree with compass, it would be somewhat ऐसा कुछ. So now this is 90, this is 75, it will automatically come 15 degrees. No, because this is, the sum is 180 degree. So this is how we can do it.